All right. Well, Christine, you are going to be joining us for our upcoming speaker series on March 8th, focusing on women's health. So people can reserve free tickets for this event, which is going to take place at Salem Hospital at the Community Health Education Center. So to start, can you introduce yourself and just tell me a little bit about what people can expect with this series?
Yeah, I thank you so much. I'm Christine Morales. I am a certified nurse midwife, and I'm the medical director for the midwifery group at Salem Hospital. Um, this series is held on International Women's Day. So we're hoping to highlight some different topics in women's health care, birth control, perimenopause, menopause, general health screening, recommendations, and overall health and wellness for women.
And I know that you're looking to get questions from the public ahead of
Mhm.
time to see what folks might be interested in. A younger crowd might be looking at pregnancy, menstrual cycles, older crowd might be looking at things like menopause. So, how are you preparing
Mhm.
for potentially a range of questions and concerns?
Well, trying to get like a little bit of, write down some ideas of things that I might think people like just in taking care of women over 16 years, kind of ideas of what people ask me in their visits. So kind of taking from that. And then also trying to think of things that I think are important to get across for women in general, especially in terms of recommended health screening. Issues in terms of like when they should screen for breast cancers or cervical cancer and things like that, to make sure women understand all of those things.
I imagine you want to have broad reach, that whatever you share,
Yes,
it could appeal to women of any age.
yes, absolutely. I think there's, in this time, there's so much information on commercials and websites and social media that sometimes it can be probably overwhelming for people in with so much healthcare information available out there to know what's accurate and what's not accurate. So we're hoping to help with some of that.
And I know that you plan to address overall health too. Tell me what
Mhm.
that discussion could look like and the importance of talking about that.
I mean, I think in terms of overall health, diet, exercise, importance of mental health, and adequate sleep, and mostly staying active and eating healthy.
And you mentioned that this is going to take place on International Women's Day. Why is it
Mhm.
so important to be talking about women's health in a candid way like this?
I think, if women often have questions that they're not exactly sure how to ask or where to get accurate information. And so we want to have it feel like a really open, safe, judgment-free space for women to ask whatever questions they might have.
And I know you're going to be joined by a few other panelists as well.
Mhm.
Can you tell me
Mhm.
about who's going to be joining you and the value in having several perspectives there that day?
Yeah, I'm going to have two of my practice partners join me. Both specialize in women's healthcare as well, and deal with both pregnancy, perimenopause, birth control. So hopefully have a broad range of ideas and information.
Wonderful. Well, thank you again. And once again, people can reserve free tickets. We'll include a link. Thank you so much.
Awesome. Thank you.